Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Xenon. Advantages of xenon. Xenon has no side effects like nitrous oxide. It has analgesic agent like nitrous oxide. It supersedes in anesthetic properties. The minimum alveolar concentration of xenon is 70% and the blood gas coefficient is around 0.14%. So it is the fastest induction and recovery drug. It is an inert gas, so it does not support the fire. And xenon is actually an ideal inhalational agent. Disadvantages of xenon. Xenon is very expensive and it can increase the airway resistance. The xenon is high density, around 5.7, and it is avoided in asthma.
Summary. Xenon. Xenon has no advantages are it has no side effects like nitrous oxide. It is an analgesic agent. Then it supersedes in anesthetic properties. The minimum alveolar concentration of xenon is around 70% and blood gas solubility is 0.14%. So because of this blood gas solubility, it has fastest inducing and fastest acting, fastest induction and fastest recovery. It is an inert gas and it does not support fire. It is an ideal inhalational anesthetic agent. Disadvantages are it is very expensive, it increases airway resistance, and it should be avoided in asthma. It is even environmental friendly also.
thank you and thank you for watching.